Alright guys, welcome back to normacnultrading.com. My name is Cameron. Glad to have you guys in today. Let's see. So, I just wanted to go over a quick lesson on MBVX today. Quick free little lesson that I wanted to cover for you guys. And that was the fact that, so you know, I was actually long in this stock. And, you know, let's see if I can change this quickly, guys. Give me one moment here. So, yeah, so, anywho, guys, I just wanted to go over MBVX and kind of show you guys what I was looking at and why I was looking at it and why I was actually long before I got short bias on this stock. So, you know, in the stock market, things can change very quickly, especially when you're playing stocks that are up, you know, 100, 200, 300%. And you can see, guys, that MBVX here, you know, you can see on my screen right here, guys, that I was long in here playing on this trend line here. So there's a trend line right in here, and I was playing on it, and I was thinking, okay, we had a cup and a handle, or if you wanted to look at it, it wasn't a very clean ascent triangle, but it is. I mean, you have a 250 top out, and then you're getting higher lows. But it looks more like a cup and handle to me. But anyways, so these type of breakouts are awesome to see, especially with the stock up 300%. A&W, you know, you look at the way it closed on its first green day. You can go back here that stock was up big time. You know, it went all the way down to 133 and closed all the way back up to 215. We can go to what was the other stock that I'm forgetting? BBOX. So BBOX, you can see here the trend line is forming, and you know, got all the way down to 150 and closed at $2, so it had a strong EOD close. And so, you know, and then I was thinking, okay, well, you know, let's have a big dip here, and then here, and then my first entry was here, actually 198, and I think I sold into this pop here. Then we had a no, I didn't sell, and then I think I added right there, and then sold some at like 230 or something like that. And then I re-added once I sold all out there, and I re-added down in here off the trend line. I was trying to get off in the 219, 220 area, which I did get a little bit, but most of my fills were in the 225, 230 areas with an average of 227. But anyways, you can see here, and I was in it here, and once I saw this triple top on weak volume here, guys, this is something that I teach, that I'm going to be teaching. I'm going to be trying to release... you know, things take time. I mean, as you guys know, the scanner took plenty of time, but I'm going to try and release a student program for you guys upcoming, and these type of things I would have in the student program to try and teach you guys the strategies that I have learned throughout the years and that have worked for me. But I wanted to do a free kind of lesson quick on, you know, what I look for, because I am going to be opening up a short account soon. And not only am I looking long, but I'm looking short too, and it actually helps me on my long trades as well, because, you know, before I would try and buy something like this and risk off, but realize that, you know, there's no point to buy something like this, guys, because you can see here 250 top, 250 top, 250 top, and you can see, you know, on this candlestick here, it took about, I don't know, what was that, 300,000 shares of volume to get up to on this tick here. Or sorry, not 300,000 shares, but you can see on the way up it took about, you know, at least 100,000 shares. On this tick here, we had even less volume. You can see here and here, even less volume. So I was expecting a breakthrough and then shorts to get squeezed and they start covering, but this didn't happen. It was a quick spike up with a 250 wall, and then it kind of sold off very quickly. And as soon as I saw that, I was super skeptical of the stock because it didn't show a confirmation. Now, we were holding in here, and I was holding to see if we would get a, you know, follow through and a breakout, but we just didn't. So I sold 235, 230, and I think I got all the way down to like 220 on accident because it sold off so quick, but only on my last small shares. But anyways, guys, so this stock here, you can see here, was unfortunate because we were long biased and it didn't break through. But now, You know, now I'm starting to get more short bias as well because I'm going to be opening up a short count soon. And now that you start to see this 1 top, 2 top, 3 top type formation on a doji here, a lot of sellers came in on this 1 minute candle. Volume is fading all the way through. This was a really, and the stock was up big time, up 250, 300%. You know, on the first green day. Now, shorting into the first green day is something that is a little skeptical, but it's something that, you know, it's definitely something that you need to watch, because they can squeeze and squeeze hard, and that's why I was long. It's got a lot of eyes and a lot of volume on this stock, but at the same time, this is a perfect, you know, I probably would have been shorting, you know, taking my starter probably here, and then adding into this candlestick here, and seeing this, I probably would have really taken my final shares and probably sized in pretty big right in here in the 245, 240 range. Because just seeing this volume fade, guys, there's not enough volume to get us through this 250 range. And if we would have got through here, and you know, we would have seen probably a 260, 270, 280 squeeze on a couple of green candlesticks on the 1 minute, because you know, these shorts that are in here, and they're scaling in, would have gotten squeezed, and they would have had to cover. So, you know, the volume probably would have proceeded through, but we weren't getting that. You know, we saw some walls in there, and just a really picture-perfect setup on the short side, guys. And it just shows you, you know, you need to always be aware at all times on how stocks are setting up. And this stock was setting up long, in my opinion, but as soon as we got this triple top in, I was really starting to cram in that short bias, especially on this fading volume. You know, a triple top on fading volume on a stock up 300%. I mean, that's a textbook short setup, and it really doesn't get any easier than that, in my opinion. And I would be probably holding my short all day, basing off of 250. I wouldn't be covering in here. I would probably just be holding it all day, because this thing, well, depending on if 190 holds, you know, and then we have this strong support in the 175, 180 area. We're already down in this strong support area, and it is a first green day. So, you know, I probably would take some partials in here, to be honest. $2 would be risk off, probably. So if it broke back above 2, I'd probably be covering some of my shorts. Size Alt. STAF, we're getting like a descending triangle there, but we're starting to break above. This thing has been a beast. I have been in this, guys. Unfortunately, I was in this, I think, at like, where was I in? I don't even want to look, but let's see. STAF. So my first entries on this stock. See, 42 trades taken on it. So my first entries on this stock, guys, you can see here. 188. And you know, I'm in here. The highest I got is 260s, but my gosh, shout out to you know, well, I won't mention him, but there's someone in our room who made $23,000 in our room on STAF, which is great to see. Or at least I think he might be in the room. But anyways, yeah, I thought he was, maybe not. But anyways, STAF has been really, really solid all day, continuing to grind back up towards high day here. But I just wanted to go over that quick lesson on MBVX, not take up too much time, quick, short, and sweet. I just want to let you guys know that I am working on a student program to, you know, basically help you guys learn and really take on some serious traders that really do want to learn and aren't trying to take the easy way out, and really are trying to get a hold of the stock market and take this very, very seriously and trying to make this their career. Just like me. You know, I like people that are just as passionate as me. I'll never believe that anyone is more passionate than me, but I do love to see people in the room today. You know, someone in the question room, I think his name was Kronos, today, you know, was telling me how bad he wants this and how long he's been studying and stuff like that. To me, guys, is really what I like to see. You know, I don't want to see people copying any alerts or trying to take the easy way out, because the stock market will eat you alive if you try and take the easy way out, guys. Something that you need to know. We've all been there and tried it, and it's not easy, guys. You have to, you know, investing in your education is truly the key. I do want you to keep CLRB today on watch, guys, because it's a biopharmaceutical company, and all these pharma companies are really starting to spike. ISR, I'm still waiting for this to unhold. It's been halted all day, so we'll see how that goes. But hopefully that makes sense on MBVX. It's a really short, sweet, to the point setup. But this you can make some serious money on. I mean, right now I would say my average short would be in the 240 range probably. 241, 242 range, and I'd probably be up already about 50 cents a share on this one. Willing to, I'm willing to be holding this. And probably risking off of $2. So if this got back above $2, I'd probably take partials. And then, I don't know. Overnight fees are a little expensive, but I would debate on holding my short overnight. But this was a picture-perfect textbook setup short, guys, and I really wanted to cover that with you guys because I know there might not be a lot of people that are short biased in our room, but you know what? It's good to learn both sides, and I'm doing that right as we speak. I have shorted in the past, so I have shorting experience. I'm not saying I don't, but you can always learn long and short, and just reading tape and watching, how stocks are running and moving. So that's really all I had. I wanted to make it kind of short and sweet. Hopefully, you guys are having a great trading day at normacnewelltrading.com. If you want to come check us out, free trial, I'll put that in here at normacnewelltrading.com. You can just type that in, normacnewelltrading.com, or I can put the link in here. We'd love to have you come out. Love to have you, try and really want to learn, because that's what this group is all about, learning and educating one another, and not taking the easy way out, guys. So hopefully you guys learned a lot on that. It's a free tip I wanted to give you guys. I usually probably won't do that often, but you know what? I'm feeling generous today, and I really do want to help you guys in the longer term. So hopefully you guys learned a lot from that. So, alright guys, I will keep you guys informed on how the rest of the day goes. I'm up, I think I'm up, what am I up today? Not as much as 23,000, but I'm up $3,800 on the day, so pretty good day. We'll see if something else sets up towards the close, and we'll be watching some stocks. So, alright guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to alert you if I make new videos. I'd really appreciate that, guys.